Alright guys, today we got the Coleman front suspension kit. Just got it in the mail. We're gonna unbox it now. Let's get started. I'm actually really excited. Ever since I've had my CT200U, I've wanted suspension, and this kit just came out. So came out like a couple weeks ago. Oh yeah, ooh, those look good. Dang, okay, look at this. Okay, so first thing you see here is the front forks. Okay. Oh yeah, those suckers are heavy. Yeah. Oh, here we go. It's really simple. Here's some mounting brackets right here. This is your fender bracket. So this is how you can mount your fender up. That's cool. And here is the handlebars. Heck yeah. Got the handlebars. These are pretty nice. And your instructions. Yeah. Comes with pretty much 4 different things. The stuff with all the hardware on it already. Axles right here. Comes with your handlebar. And then this, and then this, and then I think that's it, yeah. Box is empty. Put this on the floor. Got that, got that. This is just, there we go. Yeah guys, this is pretty good. Alright guys, so we have the Coleman front suspension kit here. Got it laid out. Got our axle. Got our forks themselves. Got the nice handlebars here. This is the fender mount. And then you have this bar with all the washers you need. And looks like it comes with the manual here. Let's see here. So off the bat it says tools required: an M8, M10, M14, M16, M17, M19, Phillips, and a torque wrench. I don't have a torque wrench, but as long as I be careful with these nuts on here, I'll be alright. But yeah, first thing we gotta do is disassembly. So we're gonna start doing that. Oh, that one was loose. Wow. I'm happy I am doing this. Tightening some stuff up I forgot about. Dang. It's crazy. Make sure to go easy with these bolts, because you can strip them out. There we go. Brake is off. Oh dang. I've never taken my brake thing off before. It's a first. I've had this bike for a long time. Put that in there. I can just take this and slide it down here. Just like that. Ow! Just like that. I'm not going to be needing that for now. Okay, we're almost there. That's the next thing we have to take off, is our throttle. Unscrew these 2 bolts. Or not bolts, but Phillips head. There it goes. And bam, throttle is off. Alright guys, so we got the front rack off. There's the tire. Here are my front forks. Oop, my front forks. like I said, I added this bar and I added these 2 bars. But this is basically just an extra rack at this point. I always like to keep parts that I take off, things like this, as spares, because you never know when you need them. But yeah, and then here's my new beautiful front suspension. These nice hydraulic forks. And my new axle going right through there. Handlebars, all that good stuff. So yeah, we're gonna start to install this thing. Looks like these small washers are on the inside and the large ones are on the outside. I don't know if you might look at the manual. I don't know if it's supposed to be like that. I think it is, but we will see when we go ahead and put this thing on here. But yeah, it's gonna be good. Alright, so we got the fender on, right?
Yep.
Wheels on. Spins really good. Next is handlebars, so if you want to hold that right there, and I can screw these suckers on. Get that one screwed down. Get this one on here. Okay. There you go. Yeah, they got the height perfect with these new handlebars.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty dang good. Basically a whole new front end for my bike.
It is. Totally is.
New parts, basically. So, here it is, all finalized. And honestly, it makes the bike look so much better. I still have to mount my starter panel up here. I'm going to make a bracket and stuff. But it seriously makes the bike shine, man. Especially with the theme I'm going with. Freedom. Red, white, and blue. Good old American colors. But yeah, man. Really makes it look good. And just the suspension, man. This bike needs suspension. It can get really rough out there. Out in the trails and stuff. But yeah. I just tested it out. It's got a good springy feel. It compresses pretty good. It's not too stiff. Real test is when I go out. But yeah. It's too late right now, but you'll see some riding videos tomorrow. I'll see y'all in a second.